Unscrew all the screws at the tail light. Pull out the tail light. Remove the residual glue. Install the new tail light. Retighten the screws. Insert the plug. Connect the decoder. Connect the black plug. Attach the decoder to the car body with 3M adhesive. Install the tail light. Reinstall the screws. Replace the cover. Tighten the screws back. Note: be sure to reattach the waterproof tape with 3M adhesive.